Hello students, I hope you all are fine and you are enjoying your studies. Either you are enjoying or not enjoying, you have to study. Okay, so it's my kind request, either you enjoy or not enjoy, just try to understand the concept. If you understand the concept, then the study will become enjoyable. Okay, so don't take tension as for the examination. Just enjoy, just try to learn, just try to understand only. Okay, that's it. So today I'm going to start. Already we have started chapter number 3, rotation we have completed. Today I'm going to start the revolution. So what is revolution? Last time I already told there are two types of movement of earth. One is rotation, it means on their own axis it is rotating, and another one is revolving around the sun. Here in the center there is a sun and it is revolving around it. This is called revolution. If it is language, the motion of the earth along its elliptical orbit. What is elliptical orbit? It means it's a path. This is the elliptical orbit around the sun. Where? Around the sun. Approximately how much? Approximately 365 days and 1/4 days. It means 365 days and 1/4 it means 24 equals to 1 day. If we divide 1 day into 4, so it becomes 24 divided by 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. It means 6 hours. So we can calculate 365 days, 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, it is called 365 days 1.5 hours. So it takes that much time for revolving. Now, period of the revolution. What is that period of revolution? This period of revolution, it is around earth completes one circle around the sun every 4th year, exactly 1/4 day. The calendar will become the 365 days. You know about this leap year. I hope you understand. Not understand? Just let me calculate you. Just like as I told you, 365 days and these 6 hours. These 6 and 6. This 4th year become 1 day. This 4th year become 1 day. In this 4th year it is called 366 days. So in which year these 366 days are held on? This year it is called leap year. And this 366, the extra 1 day is included in February. That's why in February it is 29 days. Okay, so by this way, okay, there are no some such calculation by which automatically 29 days in February in leap year. Okay, it is because of every 6 hours, after 4 hours they are converted into 1 day, and this 1 day is calculated as a leap year in 366 days. So I hope you clear this concept. Then a very important position, it is called perihelion and aphelion. What is this? Generally, actually there is a distance between sun and earth. Okay, there is a distance between sun and earth around 150 kilometers. The normal distance from sun and moon, sun and earth, it is 150 million kilometers. But it is this perihelion comes from the Greek word, peri. It means the around or near. Peri means around or near. Or helion, it means the sun, near the sun or around the sun. It means perihelion. The earth said to be the perihelion. Who called the earth? The earth, it is called perihelion. Why? Because it is very near to the sun, a very least distance. Generally how much it is distance? 150 million, but this distance decreases in 147 million. This is 147 million kilometer. It means the distance from sun and earth is sun and earth is decreased. So that's why this position, it is called perihelion, and it is held on 3rd of January. Same like that, a one position in which the earth is very away from the sun, that is called, it is called aphelion. Okay, the earth is furthest point. Ap means away, helion means the sun, which is in Greek language, and it is held on 4th July. This distance is furthest, which is near about, just like here it is very near 147 million kilometers, and here it is 152 million kilometers. So furthest means very away from the sun. This position, it is called the aphelion. Okay, now if you not understand, just let me clear from the diagram. Now this is the diagram. Now you can see that this is the sun, this is the earth revolving its elliptical orbit. Okay, so this is not in circle. Okay, remember this earth is not revolving like this circle, it is in the elliptical means the oval shape, elliptical orbit. So that's why in some places the distance from the sun is very less, and in some places the distance is very away. And exactly if you're talking about, so generally if we know, if we calculate, if we make it average, so it is 150, but it is not like that. And one position on 3rd of January it is 147, and on 4th July it is 152. So this position it is called the aphelion, and this position it is called the perihelion. So I hope it is clear. And about this solicits I will explain in for after this topic. Okay, so I hope you clear what is this perihelion and aphelion. So now you clear. Then speed of revolution, how much speed, just like this is the sun and the earth is revolving, so how much speed? So the speed of this revolution is 1,07,000 kilometers. Here it is. Here it is written that 1 lakh, you can see that here it is, sorry for the disturbance, here it is 1,07,000 kilometers. And if we talk in another way, so 30 kilometers per second, in 1 second it covers 30 kilometers. Or if talking about complete revolution, it is 1,07,000 kilometers per hour. Okay, in 1 hour that much calculation, and in 1 second it is that much calculation. So I hope you understand what is its speed. So if talking about, it seems like that in greatest in the perihelion because it is very near, and the least it is in the aphelion because it is away. Now I'm talking about the next topic. It is called the inclination of its axis. Inclination of its axis and its significance. What is its inclination? Actually we know that the earth is oval shape. Okay, and if we see that this is the axis, but it is not like that, the axis is little bit tilted. How much? This 23 and half. So how? Just let me clear you. So this is the diagram. Now you can see that this is a plane, okay, on which we can make the earth half. So it is called a plane of eclipse. Okay, and if we're talking about, the earth should be divided from this part, but it is not like that. So the earth is little bit tilted, and its north pole and south pole is not here, it is here. So this is its axis. So how much it is? So it is, now you can see that 23 and half degree. You can see that how much tilted, 23 and half degree from this elliptical plane. This is the elliptical plane, and how much its distance from it? It is 66 and half degree. So this is called the inclination of the earth. The earth is little bit inclined, it means थोड़ी सी झुकी हुई है. Okay, this is inclined. So this is all about that. But if you're talking about the equator, so you can see that this is the equator. So if I'm talking about equator, so it should be from here in the center 90 degree, and it should be here, but it is not like that because the earth is inclined. Okay, it is 23 and half degree. And one more concept I will explain in the language. This inclination, you can see each position when the earth is revolving, in each position the earth is always this position. It means in the same, okay, this earth is rotating and it is in the same position. Now see, now you can see that you can understand what is the inclination. It is 23 and half degree and 66 and half degree, okay, from the plane of eclipse. Okay, so what is the reason? Because of that there are two important points are coming on. What is the first? The earth axis keeps the fixed angle, okay, as I already showed in the diagram, with a plane of eclipse, and hence the axis always point towards the same direction, as I told, always in the same direction. Okay, during the period of its revolution, either it is revolving, it is in the same direction. Okay, it is not like that the earth is like that moving. Okay, the earth, it is in the same direction. So this is all about this inclination. Because of this inclination, which affects so many things. Now let me see what are the effects. So effects of the inclination of the axis. So basically there are some effects due to this inclination. Basically it is the changes, season changes. Why? Because toward the north and toward the south the tilted position is. I will show in the diagram how it is, and basically it changes in the season. Okay, how it is changes I will explain you. And the revolution earth and seasonal changes. How this revolution affects? Basically it affects on two ways: varying length and day night. Okay, the length of day and night. And second one is the changes in the season and their effect on the temperature. So these two are the main effects due to this revolution. So now let's start. So by this diagram you can very easily understand. As I told, this is the sun, the earth is revolving on its elliptical orbit. Okay, and the position of it is the same. Now what is happening? Basically if you see this diagram here, the earth is tilted, so the sun rays are maximum fall on this from here, from 66 and half degree south till the 23 and half degree north. So this portion it is illuminated. Okay, the maximum sunlight is passing on it, and the very important part it is the direct sunlight is falling on what region. So it is falling on the these. Okay, you can see this 23 and half degree south, which is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so in this southern portion the season is summer, so that's why it is called the winter solstice. Why it is called winter solstice? As I explained you, actually in the southern portion, now here it is, there is a summer, but in the northern it is a winter. So always consider the north pole is a main direction. Okay, because in the both direction, one side summer, one side winter, one side summer, one side winter, but we always consider the north direction as the main direction. So here you can see that there is a north direction which is completely in winter. So that's why on 23 December winter season is held on. As the earth is moving in this position, it is called equinox. Equinox, it means called the equal day and night. What is happening? It is held on 21st, and it is also called spring equinox. In this, there all the latitudes, I will also explain in another diagram, but now you understand. The earth, half earth is equal. It means the half earth is illuminated and half earth it is not illuminated. It means equal day and night. So it means 24 divided by 12. So 12 hours day and 12 hours night. But here it is not like that. Here it is increasing and decreasing. Same like that, and it is moving here. So now you can see that the direct sunlight is falling on 23rd half north, which is called Tropic of Cancer. So here it is a summer solstice, because the direct sunlight is falling on this 23 and half degree north, which is called Tropic of Cancer. And same like that, then the earth is moving from here to then again equal nights and day and night. So by these type, the seasons are changing because of this inclination, and there are two main impact on it. As I already told you, what are these two main impact? These two main impacts are varying day length and night, varying length of day and night, and season changes and their effects of temperature. Now see how. If I'm going with another diagram, you can see that. But first of all, you understand, in this it is a summer solstice. What is this summer solstice? There are three effects we have seen: the summer solstice, winter solstice, and equinox. First of all, we see the summer solstice, which is held on 21st June. In Latin language, solstice means sun standing still or reaching the zenith of the highest point. It means direct towards the tropic. Okay, and what is a special feature? Let me show you. Now this is the summer solstice. How? Now you can see that here, from this region to the that region, it is completely illuminated. because direct sunlight. And where is the direct sunlight is falling? The maximum, because generally in the equinox the direct sunlight is on the equator, but here it is direct sunlight, it is on the tropic of Cancer. It means in the northern part. So if this northern part is getting more temperature, so obviously this is having the summer. So that's why it is called the summer solstice. And how the time is changing? Now see, you can see that the maximum sunlight is falling on it. Okay, so that's why in this center on this 23rd and half degree, okay, this is having the maximum day length. How much? 16 hours. As we move here, it is 24 hours, because on the north from 66 and half degree to the north pole, it is completely 6-month day. Why? Because of this, you can see 24 days. Okay, it is completely 6-month day. And as we go downside, 20 hours, 8 hours and 0 hours, it means it is completely night, because the sunlight is only in this region. And as the earth is moving, it changes. Now I hope it is clear. So this is called the summer solstice. And what are these special effects? You have understand. Now next one, it is the winter solstice, which is held on 22nd December. Now see, what are these? Now just opposite of this condition, you can see here, this is the now you can see that this north pole, this is completely darkened. Why? Because now here 6-month night here, and here it is the tropic of Cancer, tropic of, and this is equator, and tropic of Capricorn. Now you can see that the direct sunlight is falling, maximum sunlight is falling on tropic of Capricorn. It means the summer season, it is in the southern pole. Okay, that's why it is completely day, and here it is completely night. 6-month day and 6-month night. So this is all about that. And if talking about the time period, so again same like that. Here it is the 24 hours, then 16, then 12, and then 8 hours, and then it is 0 hours. So like this is the all about. In the last position, it is called the equinox, which is held on 21st March and 23rd December, which is in Latin. Equus means equal, nox means night, equal day and night. Now see, so in this position you can see that from north pole to the south pole, this is, and this center line, it is called the circle of illumination. This complete part, okay, the whole part, okay, the earth is also rotating, understand this, both the understand. Okay, so the half earth, that's why the day and nights are equal, and basically exact on this what date? Completely on 21st March and 23rd September. So it is equal day and night. It is called the equinox. So basically it is nothing, it is just a position of the earth around the sun. As the earth is moving, only you have to remember these two concepts. What are these two concepts? You have to understand the two concepts. The earth is rotating as well as earth is revolving. So due to the rotation and revolution, and another very important, the inclination, which is very important, the earth is also inclined. So because of this inclination, the earth is revolving and the sun intensity is falling on different position, and it shows a different effect. And because of that, we have already stated one more concept, it is called the perihelion and aphelion. Okay, so these all about, and this all affecting on the earth, and due to it the seasons are changing, the day and night length. It means sometimes you feel that in 6 o'clock very dark, it is in winter season, and sometimes till 7:30 the sun does not set. Why? Because of the summer season. So the length of day and night is changing. You also experiences seasons are changing. So this is all about what? This is because of the revolution and inclination of the earth, and perihelion and aphelion is also affecting. So I hope you clear this topic. If you are having any problem, dikkat, pareshani, duvidha, shanka, trouble, whatever you are, you can write. I will try to answer it. Thank you so much. Next time we will meet with a new chapter.